Monoprice MP Select Mini 3D Printer. What makes a business successful is a highly mandatory question for all those who have a business mind. If you are in a business or want to start a business, then a few tips and tricks must follow. If you are a creative person, then you will need something to perform your talent, to showcase your talent. The question arises, which 3D printer to buy? It is a confusing part of your business, and if your printer does not match your expectations, it may ruin your business, dream, time, and money. However, you do not have to worry, as we are here with a fantastic Monoprice MP Select Mini 3D Printer V2 review. The best quality of this Monoprice 3D printer is that it is ready-to-print printer. Most low-cost 3D printers do not come with a ready print option. This 3D printer ships as a fully assembled printer. You will need a few hours to set this printer. It comes with a card and a pre-installed model. As for the compatibility, you can connect with both PC and Mac. Another compatibility it offers is with Cura and Repeatia. The extruder temperature of the 3D printer is plus 482 degrees Fahrenheit, plus 250 degrees Celsius. The build volume of the 3D printer is 103.8 qin, 1728 cc. Another great functionality of this 3D printer, compatibility with both Wi-Fi and USB.